Picture this right now. Sitting in almost every Indian kitchen, tucked away in the spice box or just resting on the pantry shelf is a golden, vibrant powder of a root. We see it every single day, so deeply woven into our lives. But we treat it just like a simple coloring agent to give that dal a yellow color or that extra flavor to that curry. But just peel back the layers of tradition and look at it through a lens of a molecular biologist. You will find that this one ingredient has extraordinary and scientifically proven health benefits. We are talking about a compound so potent that it can potentially prevent cancer. It has thousands of years of ancestral backing, and believe it or not, it has sparked an international war on patenting. Today, our mission is to transform the way you look at this golden yellow powder that you use every single day. This powder is made out of an age-old Indian golden root called turmeric. We will explore the various immense benefits which are scientifically proven about turmeric. That's not all. You will discover one simple way to unlock these immense beneficial properties of turmeric. So, welcome to Munch and Mull Desi Wellness. We all know that turmeric is absolutely a non-negotiable ingredient in our Desi kitchens. But today we are going to go well beyond the taste and the flavor and the color that turmeric offers our food. Botanically speaking, turmeric and its cousin mango ginger are not roots at all. Surprised? They are what are called rhizomes, which are underground stems belonging to the Gingiberaceae family. While a root's primary job is generally just to anchor a plant and absorb ambient water and nutrients, a rhizome operates entirely differently as an underground storage facility. You can think of these rhizomes as underground biological treasure chests. Nature designed these little vaults to pack in as much intense chemical energy and protective nutrients as physically possible to fight off fungal infections and deter pests. When we consume the rhizome, we are effectively hijacking that robust defense system for our own health. When you wash and scrape the peel of raw turmeric, you immediately see an incredibly vibrant bright orange color. That bright orange pigment is the physical manifestation of turmeric's most vital bioactive ingredient, which is curcumin. Curcumin is the most important chemical present in turmeric that gives the plant its medicinal properties. And the resume of curcumin is vast. Chronic cellular level inflammation is the underlying driver of almost every modern lifestyle disease, from heart disease to autoimmune conditions. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and boasts extreme anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful in treating serious conditions like arthritis and lupus. It comes down to biological mechanisms. Curcumin doesn't just soothe the area, it actively blocks the specific enzymes and metabolic pathways that actually trigger swelling and pain right at the joint level. For your family's digestion and cholesterol, curcumin actively stimulates the gallbladder to release bile. That bile breaks down dietary fats and literally binds to bad cholesterol, pulling it right out of your bloodstream. And how can we ignore the most important, common and scientifically validated first aid? Every Indian grandparent has that deeply ingrained habit of applying turmeric powder to a scraped knee. Microbiologically, it makes perfect sense. Curcumin physically disrupts the bacterial cell membrane, making it impossible for bacteria to replicate, which speeds up tissue repair. But perhaps the most serious medical application of all is cancer research. Curcumin literally cuts off the blood supply lines to starve tumors. It also induces apoptosis, programmed cell death. Cancer cells have a mutated mechanism that makes them kind of immortal and constantly multiply. But curcumin forces those malignant cells to self-destruct by leaving healthy neighboring cells completely unharmed. But here is the catch. Curcumin is like a brilliant celebrity superhero trying to get membership into an exclusive club. That is our bloodstream. But our bodies are really bad at absorbing this curcumin because of the bouncers at the entrance of the club door. That is our liver enzymes. It is a massive biological paradox. If this one botanical compound is so miraculous, why are we still struggling with these chronic conditions? The answer is the notorious problem of bioavailability. The human digestive tract acts like a highly secure fortress. When you consume curcumin on its own, your body's metabolic enzymes recognize it as a foreign botanical substance. Before the curcumin can ever cross the intestinal wall and reach your bloodstream to do any of that amazing anti-inflammatory work, the gut and the liver actively metabolize it and excrete it. You could just be eating turmeric regularly, but most of it may just be passing right through your body completely unutilized. So, how do we actually get our superhero past the bouncers? What you need is someone to distract the bouncers, and that distraction is piperine, the active chemical compound found in black pepper. When you add even a tiny pinch of black pepper to turmeric, the piperine temporarily inhibits those specific liver enzymes. It distracts the bouncers just long enough for the curcumin to slip through the intestinal wall and get into your bloodstream. This may sound like a made-up internet statistic, but it is a clinically validated pharmacological fact. Piperine increases absorption of curcumin by an incredible 2000%. Because the liver's natural filtration of curcumin is just so aggressive, temporarily pausing that filtration causes a massive exponential spike in bioavailability. As a practical lifestyle shift, I suggest you try replacing that red chili powder with black pepper powder wherever possible. This isn't just a shift in flavor, but a small microscopic habit that gives you immense biological payoff. It's a massive functional upgrade for your family's immune system. Remember, this just isn't kitchen folklore, it is massive science. This ancestral science was so robust and commercially valuable that Western institutions tried to steal it and legally patent it. Back in 1995, a US institution actually secured a patent for the use of turmeric in wound healing, essentially claiming they discovered its antibacterial properties. Imagine trying to patent something our grandmothers have been applying to our scraped knees for centuries. But India's Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the CSIR, didn't let it slide. They took this straight to the US Patent Office and fought back, not with new lab tests, but with ancient Ayurvedic texts and documents proving centuries of prior use. And they won. The patent was revoked, setting a global precedent for protecting indigenous knowledge. It just proves that what's sitting in our pantry is literally world-class, globally coveted medicine. Do you want to know that perfect practical way to get that 2000% boost of absorption of curcumin in your daily diet? I have already uploaded an instant delicious pickle using raw turmeric, mango ginger and black pepper. It perfectly pairs the VIP with the distraction. I invite you to watch this video, the link of which is given in the description box below. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this to mull over. Preventing modern lifestyle diseases might not always require waiting for that complex pharmaceutical breakthrough. Sometimes it just requires looking at ancient culinary pairings through modern science. I often wonder what other desi remedies passed down through our grandparents are waiting to be recognized as tomorrow's scientific breakthroughs. Do drop in a comment with your thoughts. If this video made you look at your kitchen ingredients with a renewed sense of awe, do press that like button. Subscribe to follow the Munch and Mull channel to stay informed of all such valuable information. And do share this video with your children, parents, grandparents and your loved ones to stay healthy. And Don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper in all the recipes where you are using turmeric. And I will see you in another episode of Desi Wellness. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.